morning everyone. So today I'm going to finally go get my new car. I've been waiting for a little less than a month for the car. It came earlier than expected. The dealer told me that it was gonna take 2 to 3 months. I'm not sure if it's just like the sales tactic to kind of pressure me into signing the deal as soon as possible. But yeah, I'm so happy. The car is finally here. The whole process has been really rough, including test drive, and then putting a deposit, and then getting credit approval, preparing all the documents, the insurance. So hopefully I can really get the car today.
这样就开起来了嘛，对吧？然后你可以调一个速度，然后你现在开100。这个不过你可以自己调。
Finally driving my own new car. Kind of excited, but also nervous at the same time. I don't know if anyone feels the same, but this is so satisfying. I'm running out on a Monday afternoon to meet with the MP for my sister. I'm currently preparing to go out. Today I'm working from home, but I need to go to some government office because I need to change the address on my driver's license. Outfit of the day. Why my windshield is going so fast and I do not know how to switch it off. Also, I usually listen to songs when I'm driving, but I have not figured out how to keep the music playing on CarPlay while I record using my phone. I'm so dumb. I finally made it, and it's raining so heavily right now. How'd I get down? It's a short walk, but and the rain just got heavier. Like, what the heck? Hello, I want to get down. Yeah. My dumbass realized I forgot to bring my vehicle permit card down, so I need to go to my car and get it again. Oh, it is not even raining now. I guess I was just an unlucky person. Got everything done. I thought I was getting in trouble because when I was renewing the address, and then the officer was like, "Where did you get your car plate?" And I was like, from the dealer. And then I was so confused. I thought it was illegal or something, but apparently my car plate is her initial, so she wanted to get the same one. Finally figure out how to keep the music playing while recording. Holy shit! I feel like a genius now. Currently it's 11:51 on a Wednesday. I'm so thankful I can get out from work to go to the MP for my sister's TRV application. Yeah, the appointment is at 12. I have to go through this left turn later. Oh my god, struggles. I do not like doing left turns. So the meeting didn't really happen even though I made an appointment. So this is me having a midweek breakdown. I'm not sure if any other new graduates experience the same thing, but I feel like I'm really in a place where I don't know where I want to go. don't usually break down so easily, but so much has been going on, I just needed an outlet. Just another unfortunate event in today's already very bad day. The water from the washing machine leaked out. To the office today, so I'm gonna walk to the subway station. It's about like 5 to 8 minute walk from my house, and then I'll take a 30-minute subway to downtown. It's actually pretty cold, and I only brought this small blazer, so I survived. So I was studying this whole morning because I have an assessment due tonight, but now I have to go to a Service Ontario location to apply for my health card because I just started working, so I can finally apply for health card. So I learned my lesson from yesterday, so today I have like a jacket, but my legs are so cold. I'm just wearing these leggings and there's like mesh on the side, so it's super cold. An early morning walk because Adamas forgot to bring her work permit. Now I am done. It was super quick, and now I finally don't need to pay for my own healthcare.